In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clickable image using a link block on your website. This can be a great way to make your site more interactive and user-friendly while directing your audience exactly where you want them to go. So let's jump right into it. First, we need to start by adding a link block to your page. To do that, look for the Add button, which you can find in the left sidebar menu. It's usually indicated by a plus sign, making it easy to spot. Once you've clicked on it, a menu will appear with different options. From this selection, go ahead and find the Basic Elements section. In here, you'll spot the link block element. Simply drag this element onto your page where you want your clickable image to be. Now that you have a link block in place, it's time to add an image inside it, which will serve as the clickable part. For this, you'll click that Add button again, just like you did before. This time, however, you'll look for the image element located under the Media section. When you find it, just drag the image element and drop it inside the link block that we've just created. A quick way to ensure that the image is inside the link block is by checking the Navigator panel. Here, the image should be nested as a child of the link block, indicating that it's properly positioned. With our image now part of the link block, we can proceed to configure the actual link. Click to select the link block itself, being careful not to select the image inside it. Once selected, look to the Settings panel over on the right side of your screen. Navigate to the Settings tab. Here, you'll find the Link Settings section waiting for you. This is where we'll input the URL you want your image to link to. If you want the link to open in a new tab, there's an optional setting for that. Simply change the target setting to blank. This ensures that visitors aren't navigated away from your page entirely. Finally, once everything is set up, it's essential to do a quick check to ensure everything looks and works as expected. Use the Preview button located at the top of your editor. This handy tool allows you to see your newly added clickable image in action before it goes live. If it appears and functions just the way you like, then you're ready for the final step, publishing the site. By doing so, you're making the link live and accessible for your website visitors to interact with. And there you have it, a clickable image set up quickly and efficiently using a link block. These steps are easy to follow, and with practice, you'll be able to implement this feature seamlessly on your pages. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.